This video will show you how to make captions appear one word at a time in CapCut. Making text appear one word at a time will be useful for video intros. Here are the steps on how to do it in CapCut. First, we want to import a background for the text. You can choose a solid background or a video background. Here, we'll choose an animated black background. Once imported, drag the clip to the timeline. Next, click on Text and add your desired words. Choose your font and style and so on. Next, select the text and the clip. Right-click and create a compound clip. Next, split the clips according to the number of words. We have 5 words, so we're going to split the clip into 5 parts. Next, select the first clip and go to Video. Select Mask and then Horizontal. Then rotate to Vertical and show only the first word. Then on the second clip, show 2 words. On the third clip, show 3 words. On the fourth clip, show 4 words. And on the fifth clip, do nothing. This is how the words will appear one by one. If you wish, you may add an effect. Click on Effects and choose a category. Then drag the effect over the clip. That's how you make text appear one by one in CapCut. Now, go ahead and give the steps a try.
Simply click the link below to learn more.